Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Uber Cash on the Uber Eats app. So this one is Uber Eats, and let me quickly go over Uber Cash. So first, go ahead and create your order in the Uber Eats app. All right. So choose your restaurant, select the item you want to order, and just like you normally would, browse through the options, and then when you're ready, tap on the view cart or checkout. Now, above the placeholder button you'll see the current payment method. Tap on it to open the payment sections. And from here, select Uber Cash. Instead of just cash, you can either select Uber Cash on the payment option. Once you've done that, your Uber Cash balance will be applied to your order. Now, before you finalize your order, make sure that Uber Cash is selected as a payment method and you will see it listed as your chosen option. Once you've double checked everything, go ahead and tap place order. So, about Uber Cash, you can like add funds in just a few steps. So choose the amount you still add to your Uber Cash balance and set an you can also set an amount automatically or or link a card here. So you can explore it more on the app about Uber Cash. So it's and you can use it for rides, food, groceries, and more. And so if you have any more questions regarding Uber Cash, you can go to this link here and see how it works. And that's all there is to it. And I'll see you in the next video.